Nano is right now at the number 185 position in the cryptographic money market. It had an ATH of $37.62 on Jan 02, 2018, while the ongoing cost is just $0.8537, somewhere around 97.71% from its ATH. Has the XNO token lost its appeal? Will Nano recuperate from here on out? Figure out replies to every one of these and other pertinent questions in our Nano value forecast, and considerably more. In view of our XNO expectations for the year 2023, the coin might have least and most extreme costs of around 74 cents and $1.81 separately. The XNO crypto is supposed to have least and most extreme costs of around $2.10 and $3.03 individually, according to our Nano coin cost expectation 2025. Our Nano token cost forecast 2030 shows that the expected high of the coin might be $10.68, with a possible low of $7.42 in the crypto market. What is Nano crypto? Nano is a computerized installment convention that is intended to be lightweight and open. The attention is on eliminating the shortcomings present in other digital currencies. The point is to bring Nano crypto into individuals' day-to-day routines. Nano expects to play out its blockchain exchanges in a lot quicker and more adaptable way than Bitcoin. It was additionally planned with new information structures and different instruments to acquire a few benefits over other computerized coins. The insignificant block size permits the Nano to do lightweight correspondence, in this way diminishing the exchange affirmation times and making it quicker. Without the customary evidence of work and mining, hubs utilize essentially less energy per exchange. It is, in that sense, a greener choice than the opposition. Nano involves a construction for each block, which contains all the data about the bookkeeper by then. Each block likewise incorporates a little client-created verification of work esteem, a COS prioritization component, permitting an intermittent client exchange to process at quick paces. This exchange requires some investment of a couple of moments to be executed on current central processors. This lightweight construction makes Nano super quick. Nano likewise has an imaginative agreement instrument called Open Delegate Casting a Ballot, ORV. In this, a record can pick an agent to decide for the client's sake, regardless of whether the designating account itself is disconnected. These records are designed on hubs that stay online for a huge part of time and decision on the legitimacy of exchanges they see on the organization. This is one more component of the Nano coins which separates them from the opposition. With no direct financial motivation for the hubs, this makes a superior future for the organization's decentralization. In view of our Nano cost forecast, a drawn-out increment isn't normal. The Nano cost conjecture for long-term end is $0.688. The current cost of Nano digital money is exchanging above 84 cents. According to our Nano cost conjecture, the coin could raise a ruckus around town value level of 76 cents and the most extreme value level of $1.87. The typical value level of Nano for the ongoing year may be around $1.74. According to our Nano cost expectation, Nano cost has been showing a rising propensity, and it very well may be a decent portfolio expansion for what's to come. The future cost of Nano is anticipated at $5.13347396662 after the ongoing year, as per our Nano value prediction. Nano specialized examination. The ongoing cost of Nano is not even close to the highs it had in the primary portion of 2018. These value highs were cosmic, and no measure of craziness ought to have had the option to drop them. Indeed, there is a justification for that. First and foremost, crypto costs were exchanging at all-time highs, with practically every variant of Bitcoin and comparative clones at a stunning cost on the lookout. According to the venture guidance from the monetary councils, the crypto costs are anticipated to be ill-fated due to the absence of national banks to manage it and having no real worth. This was trailed by gigantic selling and a cost change, as short vendors likewise began to dump the virtual monetary forms and sell Nano. Any reasonable person would agree that on the off chance that the coin mirrors an upturn and returns to its unequaled high, it will probably continue a pattern that other digital currencies will likewise continue on the lookout. Clients need to carry out specialized examination for exchanging. They can attempt to go for the gold floods past the help reach and accept their benefit when the spike is noticed, and assuming there is no cost on predictability, attempt to take their benefits there. The thought is to allow the instability to settle prior to selling the resource. Swing exchanging techniques could likewise be carried out in the wake of doing appropriate exploration and following the most recent news. specialized examination, Nano value expectations, and market refreshes. Nano coin value forecast 2023. In the year 2023, the greatest cost could stretch around $1.81, while the base cost may be around 74 cents, and the typical cost might be around $1.27. In view of our Nano expectations, all the cost levels mirror the indication of an expansion in the cost. XNO value expectation 2024. There is plausible of long-haul acquiring potential by seeing the ongoing cost rise. As per our Nano gauge, the cost could arrive at a most extreme degree of $2.36, while the base level might be $1.64. Simultaneously, a typical level is expected to be around $2 in the year 2024. Nano value expectation 2025. According to our Nano conjecture 2025, the cost of XNO could arrive at a greatest cost of $3.03 in the year 2025, while the base and normal costs may be around $2.10 and $2.56 separately. On the off chance that the cost arrives at the most extreme level, it will be useful for speculation purposes. Nano crypto value expectation 2026. In light of the Nano coin cost forecast, the Nano cost could go up to $3.92 in the year 2026, with a base cost of $2.72. Simultaneously, the typical worth may be around $3.32. Best of all, Nano is sensibly protected, open source, and it very well may be utilized any place in the world. Nano forecast 2027. Taking a gander at the Nano value expectation and specialized examination, it tends to be guessed that the greatest worth of XNO might be around $5.07. Simultaneously, the previous exhibition likewise recommends that the base and normal qualities might be $3.52 and $4.30. XNO crypto value forecast 2028. When it is 2028, our Nano crypto cost expectation proposes that the potential low and excessive cost might be $4.50 and $6.48. Simultaneously, the token could have a typical cost of $5.49. Nano value expectations 2029. In light of the Nano coin cost forecast, the symbolic will exchange at a limit of $8.29 and at least $5.76, while the typical worth of the XNO crypto may be $7.03 for the year 2029. Nano value expectation 2030. In view of our Nano cost expectation for 2030, XNO could shock dealers, arriving at a most extreme cost of $10.68, making it a productive venture. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs are around $7.42 and $9.05, respectively. Where to purchase Nano? Nano coins are accessible by utilizing a few crypto trades. A portion of these are Binance, KuCoin, Kraken,